So for my next video, I'd like to do one on, and I'm using a Samsung S24 Ultra, but this will work for any Android Samsung phone. And it's going to save you approximately 2 to 3 hours of battery life. I'm guessing in a 24-hour period. As you can see right now, look at my upper right corner, I'm at 86%. I've had my phone on since 9:30, 10 o'clock today. So I've had it on, and I'm a pretty hard user on it. I've had it on now for 9 hours, a little more than 9 hours, and we're at 86%. And that number, I can guarantee you, has gone up since I've done this little hack slash setting. I call it a hack. It's not a hack, but I adjusted this setting to do this. So let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is you want to go into the Play Store. Okay, so we're going to tap Play Store, and then upper right corner, tap your name or your little icon for your face or whatever you have. And then you want to, tap that. Okay, now you want to scroll down and go to Settings, and then General. And you will see one that's, it's normally checked by default, but I unchecked it for this video because you want it unchecked. It's called App Install Optimization. Sends data to Google about which parts of an app you use, making apps faster to install, open, and run for everyone to play. That uses a lot of resources. It uses a lot of battery power, and it does not need to be on. It's not going to run your apps any faster or slower if it's on or off. If it's on, it's sending data to Google about what parts of an app you use. So I don't want that on, and so turn that off. And like I said, my battery power has gone through the roof this last day, and I'll perhaps do some little more research on it and come back to it in a day or two and see if it's gotten even better. But like I said, I've been on about 10 hours at least today, and I'm at 86%, and that was with heavy use. So that's incredible battery performance. So, and I attribute it to that setting, because normally in the past I'd have that on and I wouldn't be anywhere close to that 86%. It's almost 2,000 hours here, so I've been on since 900 this morning. So it's gone a long way. So anyway, I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.